Hello everyone, my name is Damien from DKBrickStudios, and today I'm going to be showing you how to be building the @DT from Solo, a Star Wars story. So before we get right into this build, let's cue up that intro, shall we? Let's! Alrighty, so welcome everyone to your tutorial on how to build this wonderful walker. So yeah, this is the @DT from Solo Star Wars story. If you want to see more of me talking a bit about this model, check out my mock spotlight card will be appearing somewhere up here. So yeah, this is a good model, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. We're going to give a quick rundown that I did in the last video in the mock spotlight, but hey, if you haven't seen that, you can be able to get it here. Here's the front view, the back, the left, the right, the bottom, and the top view. So yeah, this is the walker. We're going to get to building this thing, and yeah, just open up all this stuff. And yep, alrighty, we're going to need all this and that. Well, definitely this first. These are all the steps we're going to be doing. As I go through this, you will be seeing on this thing here, you will be seeing all the parts coming out, appearing here in real time as I build, so you can know what parts you'll be needing while I build. So, let's get on with the build, shall we? So, step 1 is pretty simple. We'll need 1x3 dish, 1x3 inverted radar, and a tile 1x1 with a clip. And this is the wrong model to be doing it in. How much of a gap do I need in between them? 2, seems like. And then we'll need these as well. And then we're going to need 2 clip joints. One with a hinge, one with the connector, and one not with it. This is the handle closed, and this is the handle open. Better way for me to have said it, probably. Let me just check the turnage on these. 35. The angle, I need the angle on these. 305 and 305. And then we're going to need 2 of the hinge plates closed. Okay, you know what? There's a better way to do this. Like that. You will want it to look like that. Well, not like that. You will want it more like that. You want it more upright. Like so. And now we're going to need to make the assembly to hold the walker on. We're going to need a clip joint 1x1 that's open, and a plate 1x1, 1x2 I mean. Okay, there's the one type that actually works for that, so I'm gonna okay, and now we need to play 1x2, tile 1x2 really. One will go here, and one will go here. And that's what you want that to look like. And now we're going to add a plate 1x1 and a circular plate 1x1. Like so. That's what we want right now. Okay, now I see what we're doing. We're going to grab four 1x1s with studs on them, with a modified with stud, and a 4x4 plate. So we're going to need modified plate, bricks. And then we're going to need, I'm going to grab the 4x4 plate. Hang on, wait a second. Let me do something quickly. That to the side for a second. Yep, okay. You on, like so. And then we just clone these on to the body. Alright, now we need a 2x4 and two slope 1x2 plates on slope pieces. There's that. No, wait, let's actually do the brick first. And then we're going to do these. And then you want something to look like that. Okay, now we need a brick 1x1 and a slope 1x1. Alrighty, so, and this is all to help make the back section of the walker. Yeah, I just wanted to be sure where I was putting that. Don't worry, this is all as accurate as I can make it. I might make another version later on. Now we're going to need a 1x3 brick 1x3 slope. And a 2x3 and a 1x2 one with a clip on top of that one. Need the 1x3 one, the 1x2 one, and then we need that one. And that's what our front should look like. And now we are going to be building the turret. We're going to need a type of a bar 6x6L with stop ring, so essentially like what you would use in a patio for a patio, umbrella stand, and a 1x1 cylinder, 1x1 brick with two studs and a slope piece. So yeah, well, I forgot the one other piece, but we can easily add that. Okay, that should go on there, and then we need to get the parts we need for that thing. Okay. That should go like that, right? Yeah, and then we gotta add the back stuff. Round brick. That'll go there. This will go here. This will go there. And this slope piece will go here. So that's the beginnings of our turret on this walker. We're going to add a clip, another clip, and a lightsaber blade in black. Where is it? Okay, blade. Like so. Going on like that. And then we need 1, 2, 3, 4, and round plate, round bricks, and a cone. Sorry there, my tongue was not cooperative at that moment. We're going to need a plate 2x2, a plate 2x4, and a plate 1x1. Alright? Okay, so that's what we're going to need. Oh, okay, now I see where that goes. Okay. I was like, wait a second, how does that even attach on? That should go there. They should go here. Yep, and this 1x4 should go here. Now we're going to need 2 slopes and some tile. So we're going to attach the tile on right now. We're going to add some slopes. Like so. Now we're adding some plates onto here. I know I'm doing that late, but hey, you know what? It's being added. Don't add me. Although add me on Discord though. If you do join the Discord, join the Discord and add me if you've got a model you would like me to build. I'll talk all about that at the end of the video though. But hey, we need 2 bricks. Yeah, we need 2 1x1 bricks. Light gray. And this is where our little guy's going to be. And we just got to build a little guy. Alrighty. Brick. 1x1. Plate. 1x1. A black 1x1 plate. And then a tile 1x1 white. And then there you go. This guy is completely optional. You don't have to build him, but I suggested building him just so that way it kind of adds a little more of a look. It gives it a bit of a look. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna end the video off looking at this one because this one's just the actual model. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making the video for you guys. So yeah, this is Danny from DKBrickStudios. Well, before I actually go sign off, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please check out the description down below for all of my socials. Check out my Discord, my Reddit, all that. Not really my Reddit, but you know, I've got like a Reddit page or something like that. You know, check out my Discord for sure. Check out my the Facebook group and page, which I kind of renamed, but yeah, we're definitely gonna need you guys to check those out. Check out my Twitter, Instagram, all that stuff. You can get a bunch of cool stuff there that's going on there, on all that stuff. And let me see if there's anything else I should know. Please comment down below. Models you want me to build. Anywhere else you want, anywhere you can contact me at. Let me know you want a model you want to build. I will be collecting them at some point and start working on them. I have a thing on Discord that says model requests. You can request the models. And we can kind of chat back and forth about talking about how those are going to be, how me tackling that, and you can share your ideas with that. So, yeah. Make you part of the process. Yeah. Please also check out the mock spotlight for this video. That'd be greatly appreciated. Yeah. And also check out my friend's novel Rise. Links to that is also in the description down below. And, yeah. I'll see you all in the next video. This is Dan from DKBrickStudios signing off. Remember, may the force be with you always.
Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.